This is L2. Lisa's picking up snow samples from the intertussock areas and has collected some water in those areas as well. Most of the snow is melted. But we did get samples from the labeled areas.
Here we're at L1, Patty's plots, and Max is collecting snow, water, slushy samples that have been labeled as deuterium. There's approximately 99% of the snow cover is melted.
Lisa picked up some water from this runoff area that's directly below L1, which is up here. So we came downhill through this snow patch, and we're collecting right here at the bottom of the hill. The road is over here. It's Tuesday, June 9th at about 11:30 in the morning, and we're at plot L3. This is the center of the plot. We've got two lysimeters and one in the tussock. We just finished this L3 is the last one that we did. We did all the controls first, and then we worked our way from L1 to L3. And there are just not too many tussocks around the center here. So the closest actual tussock that we could find was here. It's about halfway to the edge, and there's an inner tussock, and the tussock beside it, a pretty small tussock. So we've got the vacutaners and the lysimeters in on all three of the plots at this point. When we left one of the labeled plots to go to the next one, before we went into the next labeled plot, we found a little pothole in the tundra, and we washed our feet real good. We brought some paper towels with us too, so we made sure that we didn't walk from one labeled plot into the next.
Recording.
Okay, so what we're doing is, this looks like it's a live cassiope because it's green on all the tips, and we've taken off the green leaves just right here, and like over in here it's beginning to flower, and I just used this knife and I scrape off like that right there, and I've collected these leaves down here, the cassiope leaves, just by knocking the green leaves off of the tips, because these are dead leaves. And then we're going to collect the stem after removing that material. I'm not going to collect these leaves, but we'll take the dead leaves and other material off of the stem like this, and then we'll collect this stem. And that's how we're collecting the cassiope leaves. This is all from one plant. We'll get the stem, which had to be alive. Can you see that?
Yep.
The stem, which had to be alive to supply these green parts, for example, and then this will be the stem here. So we're collecting the stem after removing the leaves, and we're collecting the green leaves that were at the upper parts of the stem. So Lisa's collecting the Eriophorum samples. We've got the leaves, and we're clipping off the white part at the bottom, at the base, and that's the part that we're collecting for the stem. And then just the part that's green, we're collecting for the leaves. And we're just taking that from the reaching in and taking it from the edge of a tussock, reaching in and finding a tiller and taking it out.